This will change the industry. We're setting a new standard for performance and processing power. Hardware acceleration is when we use hardware components to more effectively decode the video on the client side and on the server side. Video installations and users need solutions that maximize the productivity and make the most of the available resources. Milestone is the only VMS that allows decoding on the client side and on the server side using NVIDIA graphics cards and really shifting all of the processing from CPU to GPU. The benefits are making more of the available hardware, reducing cost, and really freeing up resources for better use. This allows for the servers to have more cameras. It also allows for the screens to show more streams, and overall gives a much more efficient solution while lowering the cost.
In this performance test, we added NVIDIA cards one after the other while monitoring the decrease in the CPU load, the usage levels of the GPUs, and how many more streams the recording server can handle without dropping any frames. This means that we are increasing quantity without compromising quality. Using a total of 4 NVIDIA graphics cards, we managed to increase the total number of cameras connected to the recording server by 80%, while lowering the CPU load by more than 60% on average, and maintaining a steady frame rate of 30 frames per second. When we use only the CPU or the built-in Intel GPU, this machine in this specific setup could handle up to 450 connected cameras before maxing out the CPU. With hardware acceleration and 4 NVIDIA cards added, we managed to almost double that amount, with more than 800 cameras connected to the same recording server without losing any frames at all.
By improving the performance of the systems, we allow for solutions way beyond security, into traffic monitoring, retail store monitoring, really going way beyond what conventional systems would do, even into augmented reality. Video is the raw material that feeds the analytics of tomorrow. A market of analytics that is set to grow more than 20% in the coming 3 years. So hardware acceleration is at the heart of this, with higher processing power and lower cost.